understood the significance and importance of this national song of India. It is a song which not only is being sung by all the Indians with pride, but it is a song which gives rise to a sense of patriotism to the generations of your forefathers, us, and in every way to our future generations as well. So, as the future lawmakers of this country, you should understand the significance of this song and also try to use this song in all the possible ways to raise a sense of patriotism, nationalism in among our citizens. So, dear children, in addition to being a day which embarks the first of the celebration year, because starting from today, the celebration of 150th year of national song will be continued for the next year as well. We are having another significance of this day. On this particular day, it is a day to celebrate for all the Indians because it is a day on which our first scientist who have got the Nobel Prize for Science has got his birth. C.V. Raman has got his birth on his day. You possibly know that because of the Raman effect, he had discovered the Raman effect, and because of Raman effect, he was given Nobel Prize for Science. So, dear children, also try to learn from this great man that India had ever produced. Try to read his biography, which is there in our library as well, and try to know what this particular person, what this great person has to teach to us, and also try to replicate the success and the hard work that this man has gone through in his life. After this, we will be having the national song. We will be not having the national anthem today. So in place of national anthem, we will be having the national song being sung by us. Thank you.